Are you looking for the best home security system? In this video, we will break down the top home security systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting off at number 1, we have the Vision HM241. The HM241 is a full wireless security camera system that features 4 outdoor Wi-Fi surveillance cameras so you can cover each area of your home. With a plug-and-play easy setup, you just need to set up each camera and the NVR with a power source, and then you're good to go. The weatherproof security cameras can record in 960p HD quality and can capture crisp, sharp images, crystal clear HD live video, and record whether it's day or night. The camera can capture up to 15 meters in night vision mode, and each camera is dust tight as well as waterproof, so they are safe outdoors. The Vision camera system can notify you by email when it detects motion, and you can also receive snap alerts to your smartphone. This allows you to minimize false alarms and check for yourself quickly and easily. Once you connect the NVR to your home router, you are able to download a free app called IP Pro onto your mobile device. From here, you can monitor your cameras through the app and get motion detection alerts, plus much more. Although the basic system comes with 4 cameras, you can expand this camera system to support 8 cameras total. At number 2, we have the Zusi 5MP Home Security Camera System. This home security system is great and provides you with cameras for each area of your home. With 8 cameras and 2 terabytes of storage support, you can get video recordings of the entire surroundings of your home, keeping you safe and protected from potential intruders. With the latest H.256 compression technology, the system reduces file sizes of video recordings so you can store more data while saving hard drive space. The 8 weatherproof cameras are perfect for both indoors and outdoors. They offer 1920p quality and are able to see up to 100 feet in the distance with the night vision mode. Each camera has a 105-degree viewing angle. Zusi has its client software that allows you to remote control your security system. Motion detection is customizable with this camera system, and you can set it to send instant notifications as well as email alerts. The Zusi DVR has 4 different types of recording modes available to you. The first is to record footage continuously. The second is to record during scheduled times. The third is to only record when it detects motion, and the last is to recycle record. Zusi offers a 2-year warranty on their products and lifetime tech support. At number 3, we have the Kangaroo Home Security System. This 5-piece home security system is great for keeping your home protected. With motion detectors, this kit will alert you when motion is detected, windows open or close, and more. Alerts will also trigger a siren too, to help deter potential intruders. Kangaroo has its own app to help you monitor the system. You can add as many Kangaroo products as you'd like to it very easily. In each 5-piece kit, you get a siren, keypad, 2 RU tags, 2 motion and entry sensors, 1 yard sign, and 3 window decals. Some of these pieces are great for deterrence, such as the window decals and yard sign, while others will help your home stay secure. At number 4, we have the Yi 4-piece home camera. The Yi 1080p 4-piece home camera system is perfect for keeping your home monitored 24/7. With full HD recording, 112 wide-angle lens, and 15 FPS, you can capture moments with a clear picture. It also features 2-way audio, so you can receive and transmit audio. Enhanced night vision allows you to see clearly in the dark with 8 infrared LEDs, which automatically turn on infrared in low light conditions. This camera has an optional emergency response system, which can be configured with motion alerts. The Yi Home app allows you to connect to your cameras at any time, anywhere, so you can keep your home monitored 24/7. Cloud storage protects your video recordings and data, so intruders can't delete any footage. At number 5, we have the WiseCam 1080p Indoor. This camera, intended for indoor use, is great for monitoring and protecting your home. With fantastic features such as night vision, 2-way audio, and smart home compatibility, it's a fantastic choice for those on a budget. This camera can be configured with motion and sound recording directly into the free cloud storage provided, so you can save data and space. The camera has a night vision mode that allows you to see 30 feet in absolute darkness with the 4 infrared LEDs. This camera is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can use your voice to see who's at the front door or what your little one is doing. So that sums up our top home security systems. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.